The following is a brief paraphrase of some things that Adam Walker, the creator of the Wealth Step-by-Step Opportunity, said on a recent conference call. This audio and video were made by Michael Jensen. This is what Adam Walker, the administrator and creator of the Wealth Step-by-Step Business Opportunity, had to say. Yeah, we've been in business for about 3.5 years, starting on February 19, 2021. Over the past 2.5 years, we've gone through many changes. Initially, we had 3 different matrices, and we kept discussing and refining the pay plan. I believe we now have a highly polished 3x7 matrix compensation plan. The cost is $28 plus 2 tax for Uncle Sam and $3 per level, except on level 2, where you get paid $7 per person, thanks to Lawrence's idea. I'm really pleased with the pay plan. We pay out about 89.7%, and the legal limit is 90%. So we're right at the limit, just under it actually. My primary goal with Wealth Step by Step has always been to pay out the most money to our distributors because they are the stars of the company. They are the heroes who do all the work and should be paid the most. I started Wealth Step by Step because I couldn't find an MLM company that paid well. I remember finding one company that paid about $2 per person, which was the highest I could find, but you had to buy a lot of product, several $100s worth each month. Since 1988, when I first got interested in multi-level marketing at age 21, I studied pay plans. In the 1990s, things were simpler with uni-levels and forced matrices like the 3x10. You could generally figure out your paycheck if you had, for example, 100 people. But around 2000, the 7 ways to get paid systems became popular, which made it impossible to figure out your paycheck. I always wanted to keep it simple and make commissions huge. Back in 2007, I started a company with a 4x6 matrix that paid $5 per level. The matrix was too wide and it went 4, 8, 64, which led to a lack of teamwork. I learned from that mistake. A bit of personal history. I went to BYU and spoke with a political science professor who told me that if I was meant to do something, I would find it. In 2000, I got a job at a major MLM company, which lasted 2 years. I made them over $1 million in net profit, but the company eventually faced trouble and let 40 of us go. I then worked for another small MLM for over a year, enjoyed strategizing, and eventually started a new company in 2007. That lasted about 15 months before I got into day trading for 3 years. Ultimately, I returned to MLM and started Wealth Step by Step, which took about 3 to 4 years to develop. We launched on February 19th, 2021. I fell into network marketing through my experience with that large company and wanted to help people by offering the highest commissions possible while keeping prices low. We've received feedback from many who appreciate the high commissions compared to others, where they're only making 25 cents or $1 per person. Our product, the autoresponder, is competitively priced at $28 per month, and we're considering adding a second customizable lead capture page for even more campaign flexibility. We're always looking for ways to improve Wealth Step by Step. Get back in touch with the person who told you about the Wealth Step by Step program. Ask them for their referral link. Call or send a text message to them and ask any questions if you have any. That person will be your helper and your sponsor. Thank you for watching and listening. Many blessings, Michael Jensen.